Welcome back, TheUnlockerApp. Appreciate everybody joining us today. I wanted to get into this video is going to be in regards to iCloud unlocking, one of the most sought after unlocks in the whole world. This will do full removals. This is not a bypass. Typically, when you go online and you look for iCloud removal, activation lock removal, 99% of them are bypasses, meaning you can bypass the activation lock. However, when you go restart the phone, it'll lock the iCloud again, lock the device again. Or if you try to update the iOS, like if a new version of iOS comes out and you try to update it, it'll lock the iCloud again. It'll lock the phone again. What I'm about to show you is not that. This is the 1%. This is the real deal. This will make you the big bucks. And you'll be the star of wherever you choose to be a star at, right? Whether it's in your hometown, whether you have a local shop, whether you have a worldwide website, you will be the sought-after person to go to for anybody that's got iCloud lock. So let's jump into it right now. All right, so I pulled up TheUnlockerApp. This is where you're going to want to go. Now, after this video, I don't have the section on here. Well, actually, you know what? I believe I just did. I put it there. iCloud unlock right here. So, this is what you're going to do. This basically describes everything that you're going to need. There's a couple of unlock servers that you're going to go to that I use personally. However, to unlock any iCloud, you're going to need the serial number. Whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or MacBook, serial number. And I need you to run two specific checks. If you don't know the serial number, run an imei check, right? And then I need you to run an iCloud check. So this is what we're going to do. Let me pull up. Go back to the unlock servers. And go here. Really? Hang on, let me sign in. All right, once you get back into directcodes.org, I'm going to need you to run either a serial number check or an imei check to get the serial number. So you're going to run, if you don't have the serial number, you're going to run this. If you have just the imei, say it's an iPhone, MacBooks don't have imeis. iPads, some do if they're Wi-Fi and cellular. If they're just Wi-Fi, just have a serial number. If it's your MacBook, just serial number. But if it's an iPhone, you don't have the serial number, you just have the imei number. What you're going to do is run a Apple iPhone check. This will get you the serial number, because when you do the iCloud unlocking, the only number they want is the serial number, not the imei number, the serial number. So this, if you don't know the serial number for an iPhone, this will get it to you, or an iPad. And then you're going to need to run an iCloud check. So what you're going to need to do is run this one right here. Because a lot of the times the servers want this information along with the serial number. So you'll put the imei in here, or you put the serial number in there, imei or serial number. So that's direct codes. Let's go back to the unlocker.app. Or you can skip the directcodes.org and go straight here. Let me sign in. Hang on. This is phone style server. Okay, apologize about that. Now we are in a phone style server. And again, go to the unlockerapp.com excuse me, go to TheUnlockerApp for all of this is in writing, and this is a quick overview, but if you want more detailed information, go to TheUnlocker.app for all your unlocking information. Okay, so when you sign in, you get a notification of a new service they added, okay? Now, they have multiple iCloud removals. They have some that are bypassed with Signal. They have some that are just true unlocks, right? Here's an iRemoval Pro bypass with Signal, meaning with data. I typically stay away from those, but so here's my account. Now, what we're gonna do is go to place order. Whoops, I hit the wrong one. Go to imei service. Okay, and then type in iCloud. Now, here's a mobile device manager, MDM removals. Here's iCloud bypass. Now, I don't typically do those because remember, I stay away from bypasses. They have both bypasses and real unlocks. So what I'll do, here are the removals. Make sure it does not say bypass. Make sure it says removal. Depending on what device you have, right? So this is for a watch, MacBook. Now, this is a slow service, meaning it takes a few extra days. They do have a fast service, but it costs a little extra money, right? So here's for the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, 2019 and below. iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPad mini, iPad Pro, iPhone. Here's iPhone 12 series. Here's iPhone 13 series. Here's iPhone 14 series. And any one of those you can pick. Now, this will take off FMI, right? FMI off by serial number, FMI off by serial number, FMI off by serial number on the various devices. But let me show you. Here's iCloud removal for the watches with LTE. MacBook by serial number. This is for the iMac and the Retinas. MacBook Air M2. So let's say you got an Air M1. So all you do is basically put your serial number in here, copy and paste it. And I typically, if I have a customer number or customer name, I'll put it in here just so when you get the results back, it's a quick, easy reminder of the order number or customer name in here. That's just for your reference. Make sure you have, this is USD, make sure you have enough in your account. I obviously would need to refill mine a little bit more to run this service. 1 to 10 minutes. 1 minute to 10 minutes long. So you're not going to have to wait forever. This gets it done ASAP. Now, as I mentioned, some require the history for you to submit the iCloud history. Some don't. This one does not. So again, or you can do this. Stay away from Mina. Well, you can if you want. I never did Mina. I just did the automatic services. The Mina is a little cheaper, but it requires a little more work on your end. Plus, I think with Mina, doing a Mina bypass, it's a bypass, not a true unlock. So I did never really mess with those. I only did the real unlocks, right? So this one here, this is a popular one right here. Now this one's via imei. Now, obviously it's a MacBook, so you can simply put the serial number in here. You're just gonna have to go through each one of the services because one service will just ask for the serial number. This service is a little cheaper. Now it takes a little slower to process, right? And then you also have to put some information in here. Sold by info. You can get the sold by information right here in these services. You can get the 3U tools detail image link from the customer, or if you have the device in front of you, just simply want a screenshot verification of the device before you submit the serial number. Even though it says IMEI, they'll take the serial number, right? Because MacBook doesn't have IMEI, only a serial number. And then the email hint link, meaning like at the very beginning, look, meaning this, look, this is the IMEI hint right here. Son of a bitch. There you go. So this would be the IMEI hint right here. This right here, this code where it shows the original email, but it's shaded out. You're gonna need that information to input in right here. That's where that would go. 3U tools, self-explanatory. Go to 3U tools. And you're going to want to get the info. So it'll basically plug the device. This is if it's in person, or if your customer has it, they can send this to you. You can tell them, hey, download 3U tools, plug in your device, and it'll get the information of the device, the serial number, the warranty information. It'll pull everything from the device. When you plug it in, you tell your customer to download 3U tools on their computer, plug in the iCloud lock device, and simply take a screenshot of whatever it reads from your device. And you're going to include that, or you can do it if you have it in front of you. And then you can include that right here. And now it has image link. So once you get that photo, upload it to a cloud storage, and then have them share that link to that cloud storage photo. Put that link in right here. And then you're going to need the sold by info right here, along with the serial number. So sold by info. Boom, right here. Simply search sold by. And then whichever one fits your needs, simply put the IMEI or serial number in here, and then you'll get this information. Here's a sample info. Simply take this info, you would copy, and you would paste it in here. And then you'd post that info right in here. So that's the iCloud. Now let's go to let me pull this other thing up. See where those links are? I'll put a link there for the WhatsApp chat group and the Telegram chat group. So if you got any questions, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. This is Taylor Bell, and this is the Unlocker app for all iCloud removal, for all Android and iPhone unlock, iPad, MacBook, whatever you want to unlock, I got you covered. Please go to TheUnlockerApp. I'm putting content on there every day. So if you don't see what you want, you can either send me a message, simply request a service like somebody did for this one. But continually go to it every day. I'm adding stuff every single day. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.